Hey learners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our today's new lesson, Learn English with Shimul sir. Well sir, invite me today to talk about how I have been a fluent speaker in English. Well, without any flutter, let's get started. Before I start my main speech, let me thank to our honorable sir, Mr. Wasima Rothi Shimul, for inviting me here today and give me an opportunity to say something in our today's videos. Let me start with my introduction first. For information, this is Wasima Rothi. You can call me Rothi as well because my nickname is Rothi. Currently, I'm 13 years old and a student of class 7 in Government Girls High School, Brahmanbaria, Bangladesh, and also a proud member of International Language Teaching Academy. I'm learning English under Shimul sir. Well, today as sir invite me to share my experience, if I first it would be that how I got the motivation from someone. I remember back then, it was 2017, around I was in class 2, a student of Bangladesh Gashville School and College. Well, I finished my primary from Bangladesh Gashville School and College. Anyways, when I was a little kid, at that time, around 2017, I started watching YouTube. I just started to know more about it. And while watching, of course, as a kid, my attraction was through the Barbie doll things or something. But all the cartoons were in English, so I was having a very hard time to understand any single thing. So I was having a shame on myself that my classmates and so many kids from around the world whose mother tongue is not English are understanding English, what the cartoon is about or what the content is about, even though if it's in in English. But so I started to found that how to become a fluent speaker in YouTube at that early age, because I was really having inspiration to learn English. And somehow I got something, and I find two little girls, one of is around age 4 to 6 and another one is around my age. And from the help of my dad, I got to know that they were Filipino. And when I also get to know that the Filipino people who are from Philippines, their mother tongue also not English, but these two girls were speaking English fluently, and they're non-stop and talking in English. So that actually made me to have a shame on myself. So that's it. I made a bet on my own self. So it was a challenge for my own self that no matter what, I would be like them, and that was main ambition from that day. And after the whole year passed, day by day, 2017 passed. It was 2018, and I started to focus more on that to be fluent in English. But at that moment, it was we used to have restriction to not use mobile phone that much. Of course, it should be for every child. Anyways, after that, at the half of the 2018, half of the year, I become a bit fluent, not fluent actually, not on speaking actually, understanding the English, what the content about, with the help of my elder sister and with the help of the body language of what the creator is trying to say to us. So I was that's how my journey started. And at the end of the 2018, I was fluent in English about, if I percentage, it would be 40% or something, because I can say it properly. And after in 2019, when I was a student of class 4, I gave more time on it, and by half of the year, around June or July, I become more the reach is around 70%. And after end of the year, it started 2020, and that time I was a student of class 5. And of course, as a student of class 5, and also my PSC exams are coming, so I didn't get much time to look after this. So I just started to focus on my study for a while, and also I stopped doing my stage programs and everything, every extra curriculum. And anyways, but when the announce of COVID arrived, like, I don't know if it was a heaven for me or hell, because after 2 months I start feel like I'm on a living hell. And the experience of like missing my friends, I started to understand from an early age. And I started to understand of being a school student at that moment. Anyways, okay, so that was a huge opportunity for me in 2020 to focus on speaking English more deeply. Like 24 hours, mobile phone is on my hand and I can use it whenever I want. So I started to like search varieties type of videos on YouTube to learn English, and I got a lot of things. But while doing this, my most, like, of course, if we need to be fluent in English, one thing is we need to watch something, a show or something. Like, I thought that for myself. So I started to watch America's Got Talent, from where I find the K-pop things. Okay, so as a K-pop stan, of course, I'm not a Korean person who would understand Korean so really. And so that time I also need English, because of course as a fan I need to know what my idol is saying. So every time the subtitle was there, it made me more like more good in reading English, and that's how I also become more fluent in English. But at that year, I was damn sure that I'm very pure at speaking English, or my percentage level reached more than 100%. But the only thing used to work on me was my fear, and that how like I work on my confidence, and I started to like speak in English in front of the mirror by my own self. And that's how I overcome with my fear. And that's how it was about my journey of becoming a speaker. But if for the beginners, if I give you guys advice, the one thing I will say that please don't be scared. Like, for myself, I also know that during this video I made a lot of grammar mistake that I can't even count by my own self. But the thing is, in speaking English, we don't need grammar. But yes, there is a lot of importance of learning grammars. But when you are like speaking, you shouldn't think about that grammatical mistakes. It will happen in any kind of things. It will happen. Mistake will automatically happen. But don't think that you will be embraced in front of anyone, because in Bangla there is a line said that bhul theke manush shikkha nei. So try to learn from your mistakes. And that's the one thing I set on my mind, that no matter what, I have to be fearless. And I know who are watching me right now, you guys are more fluent than me, and you guys are more good in English than me. But only thing, you guys are afraid of speaking out. But don't be like that. You guys should like work on your confidence, just like I did, and still I'm doing. But as I started to grow up, my sister is on Dhaka, so there is no person for me to practice my English with. But as I said, that there is no end of learning in any subject, not only English. In any subject, you should learn till your last breath. And so for that, I joined on Sir's International Language Teaching Academy, and where I'm finding varieties people on the class, on the club, and I got more friends to speak in English with. And the exact thing is like helping me to be more good at grammar is this book. I will suggest everyone to buy this book and read it. And this book is also written by our honorable teacher, Mr. Wasima Rothi Shimul. So I would suggest all of you to read this book actually, because if you read it, I bet within 1 month you will be a fluent speaker, that better than me. So, but I would like to say, first of all, from my tips, first thing is work on your confidence, and second is read this book. It will help you a lot, and of course it will, because the things that's written in this book are, you will be more fluent in writing, in your English pronunciation. You can be a British speaker like British, and you will also have the accent of American. So that's all about my today's videos. I hope I was able to make you guys understand, and thank you so much again, sir, for the opportunity to say something in our today's lesson. Thank you, everyone. And lastly, viewers, if you like to learn English from home or any part of this world, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press that notification bell so that you can get all the notification from our YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like this, and of course don't forget to share this video with your friends. And if you have any question, comment down below all your question and let me know how you like this, and in also comment section. And let me see you soon in my next video with sir. So no more today. Take care. Bye.